besties, I'm back with a haul. My friend came to my house for a few days, and then for the last day we thought like we go for breakfast, and after that he was like, oh, let's just, like check around, go to Flying Tiger. And I actually had the cleaning the house in my head because it's still a work in progress. Anyways, so I've got few stuff for the kitchen. I got this to put tiny stuff on my coffee station, let's say that. In these, I feel like these are cute and I can close them when somebody comes or if I want to look at the house prettier. And then I got it in a big size. I can also put my pills and stuff in it. I will show you at the end after I replace everything and put them in these. I found these magnet canvases. I mean, how cool. It's been a long time that I haven't painted, and I thought like I can paint on these, put them on my fridge, and I also can paint and gift them to my friends and family because they know I love magnets. So this is my haul. I'm gonna continue with cleaning the house and stuff, and so now that we cleared out everything from there and we have a good coffee station, I'm gonna tell you what this video is about. So a few nights ago we made these vision boards with my friend. It was like 8th of August and we felt like, okay, it's a portal of Leo and we want to manifest what we want. And when I was like sticking the photos on that, I've realized I've been wanting the same stuff for last few years. Me not doing anything and thinking those are gonna magically happen for me is bullshit. That's one. The second thing I wanted to tell you, I started taking this video last week about coming out of a rut, changing my life, cleaning my house. My house is a rut. My body hasn't seen workout for a while, not good food, nothing, blah, blah, blah. My skin is breaking out. And I was like, okay, I want to make this video and I want to take this video in the weekend. And I was like, for me, it was like, this is not something that you change overnight for a video. This is something like, if I came to this point, it's because I didn't do these stuff for a long time. So if I want to fix it, I need to slowly change that habit and get used to the new habits, good habits. So I started my video with cleaning my coffee station because that was like a tiny sign, tiny step that proves that I actually want to change my life. And then the third thing that I want to tell you guys is I am sorry. You're asking me why. Last year I made this video of summer bucket list of 2024. You have seen it for sure. If you haven't, you can go and watch. And I made this long private list of my goals and 50 goals for summer. And you know what I did? I did none of them. Maybe I did one or two, but I was supposed to make videos of doing all of them. And I didn't do it because I'm used to wanting stuff and I'm used to putting so much on myself and asking so much from myself that I get lost in my goals and what I want. I thought from now on, I want to start with tiny steps, baby steps, you know? And to prove me of those baby steps of changing my life, I will show you my vision board later because I want to prove me first, not you guys. The confidence comes from you proving yourself to yourself. So I want to prove me to myself and then share it with you guys. But we can do something together. We can make another bucket list. This is like middle of August. We're in middle of August, so half of the summer is gone. But I want to make a tiny bucket list. Not too much. Just the things that I actually want to do, and it's summer and it makes me feel good. So I would be like doing what I have to do for my life, and at the same time doing what I have to do for my but what I want to do for my mental health, and have a little bit of fun together. So we are gonna write our 2025 summer bucket list, and this time we're gonna do it together. Let's go. Finally done with my list. This is a short doable list that I made. Some of them is just eating, so it will take me just few seconds. Make your own list. Send me the list if you want on Instagram, and we will make the rest of the summer enjoyable for ourselves. See you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.